To repair potholes with the right amount of tarmac, measure carefully before you buy. Start by measuring each pothole's length, width, and depth in meters. Then multiply those three to get cubic meters for each hole and sum them for total volume. Convert cubic meters to kilograms by checking the product density on the bag. A typical cold mix tarmac density is around 2,200 kilograms per cubic meter, so multiply volume by that number to get the mass required. Check the coverage information on the bag, because manufacturers sometimes list approximate area covered at a given depth, which can simplify calculations for shallow repairs. For many small holes, a single 20 kilogram bag will be enough because the material compresses and fills irregular voids. But for a large or deep pothole, you may need multiple bags or bulk delivery. When estimating, add a contingency of 10% to 15% to account for compaction, wastage, and uneven surfaces, and round up to the next full bag so you do not start a repair short. If you are filling very shallow defects less than 2 centimeters deep, consider spreading thinner layers and tamping between layers rather than one thick lift, which helps bonding and reduces sinking later. Common mistakes are underestimating depth and only measuring surface area, which leaves you short on material. Solve this by probing the deepest point of each hole and using that depth for volume calculations. Another frequent issue is not compacting or tamping the tarmac as you place it, which causes future settlement. Fix this by using a plate compactor or a heavy tamper and compact in layers for anything deeper than 5 centimeters. A third problem is not buying a little extra for touch-ups and sealing edges, which results in visible gaps later. Buy an additional bag or two depending on total volume, and keep some material for 1 week of follow-up patching. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors and materials while letting contractors find work and list their services. We also host a discussion community where members share tips, ask questions, and compare products so you can learn from others before you start.